Hello children, welcome to Gokulam. This is for kindergarten students worksheet activity. WH, Digraph, WH sound. Digraph, WH sound. Read and trace. Let's spell the letter, trace the letter, trace over the dotted lines slowly. What is the letter? W. W. What is the letter? W. W. H. Digraph. WH sound. Read and trace. WH sound. WHALE. 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 Let's trace over the dotted lines. Trace the letters. W. Spell and write. W H A L E whale. W H A L E whale. Next, W. Trace over the dotted lines. W H E L wheel. WHEEL wheel. Next, trace over the dotted lines. Spell the letters. W H I slowly C H which. W H I C H which. Whale, wheel, which. Next, spell the letter, trace over the dotted lines. W H E A T wheat. WHEAT wheat. Next, trace over the dotted lines. Spell the letters. W H I T E white. WHITE white. Next, trace over the dotted lines. Slowly spell the letters. W H A T what. WHAT what. Wheat, white, what. Next, spell the letters. Trace over the dotted lines. W H I S K E R S whiskers. WHISKERS whiskers. Next, spell the letters. Trace over the dotted lines. W H I S T L E whistle. WHISTLE whistle. Next, W H E N when. W H E N when. Whiskers, whistle, when. Whiskers, whistle, when. Digraph. WH sound. Read and trace. WH. Whale, wheel, which. Wheat, white, what. Whiskers, whistle, when. Next, read and circle the WH words. Read and circle the WH words. What is this? Whale. Whale. What is this? Whale. Where we can see whale? C. Where we can see the whale? Whale. Where we can see the whale? C. What is this? Whale. WHALE whale. Read and circle the WH words. Here WH. Circle the words. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Wet floor, W-E-T, wet. F-L-O-O-R, floor. Wet floor, wet floor. Wet floor, no? See, one man fell down. Wet floor, no? W-E-T, wet. F-L-O-O-R, floor. Wet floor. Weather, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. What is here? Hill, mountain, sun. Weather, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. Sunny, weather. What is this? Cat. This one? Whiskers. Hair, no? Whiskers. What is the name? Whiskers. W-H-I-S-K-E-R-S. Whiskers. Read and circle the WH words. Whiskers. WH word. Read and circle the WH words. Whiskers. This is whiskers. Next. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. What is this? Wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Read and circle the WH words. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Next. Whisk. W-H-I-S-K, whisk. WH words. Circle the WH words. Whisk. Wash. W-A-S-K, wash. Whistle, W-H-I-S-T-L-E, whistle. W-H, read and circle the WH words, whistle. Whale, WH words, circle, whale. Wet floor, weather. Whiskers, W-H-I-S-K-E-R-S, whiskers, WH words. Read and circle the WH words, whiskers. Wheat, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Read and circle the WH words. Wheat, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Circle the word. Whisk, W-H-I-S-K, whisk, W-H-I-S-K, whisk. Read and circle the WH word. W-H-I-S-K, whisk. Wash, whistle, W-H-I-S-T-L-E, this is whistle. W-H-I-S-T-L-E, whistle. Read and circle the WH words, whistle. Once again, read and spell the words. W-H-A-L-E, whale. This is whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. W-H-E-E-L, wheel, wheel. Car, lorry, wheels, no? They have wheels, no? W-H-E-E-L, wheel. W-H-I-C-H, witch. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. This is wheat, wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. W-H-I-T-E, white, white color. W-H-I-T-E, white. W-H-A-T, what, what? Asking, no? What? W-H-A-T, what? Whiskers, W-H-I-S-K-E-R-S, whiskers. This is whiskers. Cat, whiskers. Whistle, W-H-I-S-T-L-E, whistle. This is whistle. When, W-H-E-N, when. Asking, no, when. W-H-E-N, when. What, asking, what. Which, asking. W-H-A-L-E, whale, wheel, which. Wheat, white, what. Whiskers, whistle, when. Digraph, W-H, sound. Digraph, W-H, sound. Whale, wheel, which. Wheat, white, what. Whiskers, whistle, when. Read once again. Whale, wheel, which. Wheat, white, what. Whiskers, whistle, when. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.